Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I am going to explain how to install CSF Firewall on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, config Server Firewall is abbreviated as CSF. The CSF is the most commonly used firewall application to secure Linux server. CSF has a wide range of options to manage Linux firewall via command line and from the control panel. The CSF installation includes pre-configured configuration and control panel UIs for a cPanel, direct admin and webmin. Now we have to switch into the following directory where you want to download a package. And then here I have to download a CSF firewall package using the wget command. Then hit enter. The package is downloading now. The downloading is completed now. Now we can restore the files. And then here we can see the CSF firewall package. The downloaded package is a top file, so we need to extract the package using this following command. Then hit enter. The extraction is completed now. Now we can list out the files. And then here we can see the CSF application directory. Then we have to go into the CSF application directory. And then here we can list out the files. And then here we can see the installation script file. Now we have to run the script file to install a CSF. Then hit enter. The installation is completed now. After the installation, you shall check if you have a record IP tables modules. Please run the following command on the terminal. Then hit enter. The testing is okay. Now I am going to open a CSF configuration file. Then hit enter. The default value exists in a testing is enable, so we need to set the 0 to disable. Then we have to check it out the default inside and outside TCP UDP port numbers. And then here we can see the inside TCP port numbers. And then here we can see the outside port number. And then here we can see the UDP inside port number and outside port number. After checking out the configuration, we have to save and exit from this file. Once we have completed the configuration, we need to start the service using this following command. Then hit enter. Now we have to check it out the status of CSF firewall. Then hit enter. And then here we can see the active and running. Once you have started the CSF firewall, you can easily start and reload the CSF firewall using these following commands. CSF-S is a start the service. And then CSF-R is a reload the CSF firewall. And then if you want to know more commands using a CSF firewall, please run the following command on the terminal. Then hit enter. And then here we can see the lots of options we are using to handle the CSF firewall. Then we have to allow the IP address into the CSF firewall. Please run the following command. -A is mean by allow. And then here I have to mention the IP address. Then hit enter. Now we have to check it out the CSF allow configuration. Then hit enter. And then here we can see the IP address where it will be mentioned in the CSF follow command. And then if you want to remove the IP address from a CSF follow file, please run the following command. -A or A is mean by allow and R is mean by remove. And then here we have to mention an IP address. Then hit enter. The IP address is removed now. Now we have to check it out the CSF follow configuration file. Then hit enter. The file is open now. Now you can see the changes. The IPs doesn't exist. Then we have to deny the IP address into the CSF firewall using this following commands. -d. D is meant by deny, and then here we have to mention the IP address. Then hit enter. Now we have to check it out the deny configuration file. Then hit enter, and then here we can see the IP address where it will be mentioned in the deny configuration command of CSF. Now we have to run the following command to remove the IP address from a deny configuration file. Deny, remove, and then here we have to mention a IP address. Then hit enter. The IP is removed now. Now we have to check it out the configuration file. Now we can see the changes. The IP doesn't exist. And then if you want to know how to find the certain IP address where it will be configured in a CSF firewall, please run the following command. -g. G is meant by global, and then here we have to mention IP address. Then hit enter, and then here we can see the particular IP address where it will be configured in a CSF firewall. And then here we can see the entire detail about the certain IP address configured in a CSF firewall. Then we have to run the following command to completely disable the CSF firewall. -x. Then we have to run the following command to flush the CSF firewall. -f. And then if you want to enable the CSF firewall again, please run the following command. -e. The CSF firewall is enabled now. Now we have to run the following command to check it out the IPv4 IP tables. -l. And then here we can see the entire detail about the IPv4 IP tables. Then we have to run the following command to start the CSF firewall. -s. Now the CSF is started. Then we have to reload the CSF firewall. -r. Then hit enter. These are all the installation and basic configuration CSF firewall on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.